Hello and welcome back. In this lecture we're gonna be running an application showing you what you need to do in order to run an emulator on your Android ID. So when you go on and click here, there's a button here that is for the Android Virtual Manager, and you click on it, you should see this view here. So for me, I had downloaded my own virtual device, already created it, but for you, if you want to do it, you can just go create virtual device, choose a specific device you want from the list, or a tablet of course, maybe bad for a phone. Then you click on next, and you should see here a certain image you need to download. It's going to be around maybe 700 MBs depending on the choice of phone, and you grab that and you click next, and you should be able to finish and get your device. But for me, I'm not going to do that. I've done that already because it is going to take time. And when you are done, you click here where it says run here. And when you click run here, in most instances, if you're using the same operating systems I am, you might face a challenge, say you do not have permission to run this virtual device. So you need to go to the terminal. And what you need to do is write a sudo here and set -aim and a u here and a colon, and after the colon you just put your username there, -c, as you can see from here, and after that you put a space, then /dave/kvm. Do not worry about what these mean, but just do it, for your application to run well, and you input your password. And incomplete, what happened? Sudo server. All right, I forgot one keyword, and it was right here. Right after glen, you put another, right after your name, you put another colon, and you just type ROX and press enter, and it should be done. And when you run this, you shouldn't see any problem. But if you're facing challenge, you can just come to me, enlighten me about your error, and we'll solve it. And now you should click here run, but for me, you see there is an icon like run up again, so we're just gonna stop video because I had opened my virtual device already. But for those who do not have the time to download all these resources, you can use your own physical device. All you need is to connect there, allow US debugging in the developer settings. I'm sure you're aware of those developer settings. If you're not, you can go onto about phone, click on a certain criteria sometimes, and you'll see message you're a developer, or you can search for it and follow along the steps over on Google. But if you already are a developer, know this thing, just click on the allow USB debugging, and you should be able to see your device on the device list right here. But for now, I'm running a virtual device, so we'll see the only virtual device that we have here. So if you had clicked and run your virtual device, you should have a simple emulator, like here. This is my Pixel device I have on my desktop. And now what you need to do is just click on run here, and it's building our application. As you can see, it's installing and launching our activity, and you see here's our application, and you're all happy seeing everything into view, and we can edit it into the text, and we can do some notes. And of course, our button have no functionality, and you cannot do and integrate with them in anyhow. So the next thing, and of course we need to change this before we go any further. How can we do? We need to go to our very own strings here, and when you see it, when it says app names, just type here and note editor, and that will change your title. Save here, rerun our application, and it should of course build again. All right, we need to terminate that and rerun our application. It's running. Patience, and it's back. And as you can see, we have changed easily our title text there. So you have run your first application, and you're so excited, right? Join me in the next tutorial. I'm just going to show you a few things you need to know about these things. We're going to interact with these views. We're gonna manipulate them, do some action when they're clicked, perform some action, at our level, of course. And now I think you're ready, and you can see under disease, right, of course, we'll gradually follow the steps, and we'll get there. So gents and ladies, I'll see you in the next tutorial as we take these skills further up. Thank you.